Why do 50% of people think cats are smarter than dogs? Let's find out. Today we're diving into the hilarious world of cats versus dogs. Get ready for some belly laughs. First up, cats. These furry ninjas sneak around like they've got a secret mission. But catch them slipping off a shelf? Comedy gold. And let's not forget their epic wrestling matches with invisible foes. Next, dogs. These lovable goofballs can turn anything into a toy. Seen a dog chase its own tail? It's like a doggy tornado of joy. And when they try to fit into tiny spaces, instant laugh factory. So, who wins the funny pet crown? Well, that's up to you. Leave a comment below with your pick. Cats, the stealthy comedians, or dogs, the energetic jesters? Don't forget to hit that like button if we made you chuckle. And subscribe for more possum laughs.